we are studying in Gujarat board. So, do you know the capital city of Gujarat? Many of us, initially, many of us means including me, thought that, oh, Ahmedabad is the capital of Gujarat. But actually, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Capital is called Rajdhani. And I live in Ahmedabad, Karnavati. Gandhinagar is very close to me. So, the beauty of Gandhinagar observed by me, and this chapter is so true. The name of the chapter is Ramaniya Nagari, meaning a beautiful city. And all of us know we are going to learn about Gandhinagaram in this chapter. So let's begin. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभं कुर्मः। गांधीनगरं गुर्जर राज्यस्य राजधानी अस्ति। इदं सुंदरं सुयोजितं च नगरम् अस्ति। Gandhinagar is the capital of Gurjar. Now, Gurjar is the word for Gujarat. Even Gujarati as a language is called Gurjar Bhasha in Sanskrit. So, Gurjar Rajyam, Gurjar Bhasha, Gurjar Janaha, word for Gujarat and Gujarati. Idam belongs to Gandhinagaram. This city is Sundaram, beautiful. Suyojitam, well planned, well structured city. So exactly this is the location where Gandhinagaram is there in the complete Gujarat. This will be a very short trip to Gandhinagar in this particular chapter. So 4 important places, the points of attraction are taken into consideration to explain how beautiful this city is. The first place is Sachivalaya. Idam Sachivalaya Bhavanam Asti. This is the Bhavanam, a building dedicated to Sachiv. Now, who are Sachiv? Sachiv means minister. So, this is a secretariat, meaning where all ministers work for our state. Asmin bhavane vidhana sabhayaha adhiveshanani bhavanti. Adhiveshana is the word for upaveshanam, sitting, meetings. So, Vidhan Sabha's meeting happened in this particular bhavan, in this particular building itself. Asmin eva. What is this? This is not na. This is asmin, half na, and then eva. Asmin eva bhavane. In this particular building itself. Sthitva rajyasya mantrinaha, sachivaha, anye cha adhikariнаha, rajya karyam. There is a dot here. Sanchalayanti. Sanchalayanti, to manage, to work. So all are ministers of the state, all the sachiv, and all the head of each and every department work Rajya Karyam, meaning the whole administration, management of the whole state, all departments are done from this building. Sachivalaya eva Gurjar Pradesha Sashanasya Mukhyaha Karyalayah Asti. So any Karyalaya is called office. Mukhyaha Karyalaya means headquarter. This is the main headquarter of all the ministers of the complete Gujarat state. Next place is Mahatma Mandir. No, Mandir doesn't mean a temple here. Ki Mahatma ki murti hai and every day there is aarti going on. No, Mandir here means a particular place designed in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Asmakam Rashtrapituhu Shri Gandhi Mahodayasya Smruti Rupena Etasya Mandirasya Nirmanam Abhavat. This temple was constructed in the memory of Gandhi Mahoday, of respected Gandhi, who is our, Asmakam is our Rashtra Pita, national father of our nation. Yat Mahatma Mandira Namna Prasiddham Asti, and that Mandira is famous by the name Mahatma Mandiram. Mahatma Gandhi Mahodayaha Bharatasya Swatantrayaha Krite Bhrisham Prayatnam Akarot. Bhrisham is Atishayam, Adhikam. So Mahatma Gandhi, respected Mahatma Gandhi, or as we say Gandhi Ji, Ji bhi laga sakte hai for respect, and you can say respected also, your choice. So Mahatma Gandhi Ji Bharatasya Swatantratayaha Krite, for the freedom, for the independence of our nation Bharat, he tried a lot. So there are many incidents, many moments guided by him, started by him. Etani sarvani karyani, all of these works done by him. Chitra rupaihi atra pradarshanartham prastutani santi. All of his great works are presented in a systematic manner in a chitra rupa, a pictorial exhibition kind of thing in this Mahatma Mandir. The Tritiyam Sthanam, the third important place in Gandhinagar, is the Akshardham temple. Etat Akshardhama Namakam Vishalam Mandiram Asti. This is a temple, Akshardham, a very vast campus has been dedicated to this Akshardham temple. Mandire Pradarshan Vibhagah Ativa Manoharah Asti. And the main attraction of the whole campus is the exhibition. So the Pradarshan Vibhaga, the exhibition department, is the most beautiful. Manohara Manko Harne Wala. That's why beautiful. Pradarshana Vibhage, among all the exhibition, there is one eye-catchy exhibition, and that is called the Light and Sound Show. Pradarshan Vibhage Janaha Ekam Chalachitram Api Pashyanti. They also watch a show in the exhibition. Adhyatma Vijnana Yoho Sangamaha Atra Drishyate. So in the temple, people pray, they know about Lord Sri Swaminarayan, and through the medium of these light and sound show, we can see Akshardham is a place where there is Adhyatma, meaning spirituality, and Vijnan, meaning science. So science and spirituality are together in this place. By the way, if you have visited Akshardham temple and have watched this light and sound show, let me know in the comments, because I am going to tell you one thing that you don't know. So there are 10 Pramukh Upanishad, Isha Kena Katha Ityadi. Out of all the Upanishad, top 10 Upanishad, the Akshardham, the Gandhinagar Akshardham light and sound show is dedicated to a story from the Upanishad that belongs to Nachiketa as focus. This katha is originally from Kathopanishad. Okay, so what you see, the story of Nachiketa is from Kathopanishad. And similarly, we also have Akshardham in New Delhi. So Navadehilyam Akshardhama Asti Tatra Kenopanishad Katha Vartate. So we have Kenopanishad presented very well in the light and sound show in Delhi and Kathopanishad Katha in Gandhinagar. One more thing we have in the same campus Akshardham is Atra Chittakarshakam Vishalam Udyanam Api Asti. There is a great park, garden there. And what type of garden? Chitta Akarshakam. That which steals away our heart. Meaning a very beautiful garden is there. Beautiful and vishal, beautiful and vast garden is there in the same campus. Pratidinam Bahavaha Yatrikaha Etasya Mandirasya Darshanartham Agachanti. So we have many tourists visiting this mandir for darshan, for having a divine glimpses of God, and that too Pratidinam, daily. Now the fourth tourist place in Gandhinagar is the Indrora Pakshi Udyanam, meaning a bird sanctuary. Gandhinagarasya samipe eva Vishalam Indrora Pakshi Udyanam asti. Nearby to Gandhinagar, we have a bird sanctuary called the Indrora Park. Asmin sthane, in this particular place, khagaha, birds, praninaha, animals, nija paryavarane eva nivasanti. They live in their own natural habitat, meaning there are no cages, pinjare nahi hai. They are living naturally in their own habitat and we are visiting them in their natural habitat. जैसे वो रहते हैं वैसे ही है, and we are enjoying to watch birds, animals there. Okay, so we don't have dinosaur right now, but we still have a section that is very interesting for all of the kids. Dinosaur namnah prachin mahakaya praninaha visheshaha vibhagah asti. So we don't have any translation for dinosaur. We will say it same, dinosaur namka, but we have a visheshan, adjective for it. Prachina, ancient. Mahakaya, bare sharir wala. It's short for Ganesh right here. वक्रतुंड महाकाय, here also महाकाय, but महान काया, शरीर, बहुत बड़ी शरीर वाले, बड़े शरीर वाले. So ancient most animal who is great, huge, called dinosaur, he has his विशेष विभागः, a special department for him. एषः विभागः, as I told you, this particular department बालानां कृते अतीव आकर्षकः, is the most attractive to all the children. मनोरंजकः च अस्ति, so it's attractive and entertaining to all of the children. And you know the other part? अत्र एकं सर्पगृहम् अपि अस्ति. There we have a whole place where you can see snakes in their natural habitat. Snakes कहाँ रहते हैं? वृक्ष के, जमीन के नीचे, मिल में, right? So एकम सर्पगृहम, where all the snakes live, we have that place also. विविध कुलानां सर्पान् अत्र द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः. We are able to see snakes of different families, short, long, different colors, different families. Okay, variety of snakes. Do you like snakes? I personally don't like, but yes, I respect only one. That is the snake of Shiva and the snake of Vishnu. Otherwise, अगर मैंने कहीं पे snake देख लिया, I don't like it. I am very fearful of सर्पाहा. So शायद मैं इस place में अगर जाती हूँ, I will skip this place. What about you? Tell me in the comments. When we talked about Mahatma Mandir, very nearby to Mahatma Mandir, we also have Vidhan Bhavan. That is our fifth place of attraction of Gandhinagar. Mahatma Gandhi Mandiratah nati dure eva Vidya Bhavan nama Vishalam Bhavanam asti. Here there is a mistake. This is not evam. This is eva only. So nati dure. What is nati dure? Na ati dure. बहुत दूर नहीं, meaning nearby. ज्यादा दूर नहीं, मतलब नजदीक है. So near to Mahatma Mandir, we have Vidya Bhavan, that is a huge building like this. Tat eva bhavanam GCERT rupena khyatam. The another name for Vidya Bhavan, the Department of Education, is GCERT. If you are wondering what is the full form of this, we have a symbol here and the full form is written right here. Gujarat Council of Educational Research and Training and Gandhinagar. Vidya Bhavane GCERT नाम परिषदः कार्यालयः अस्ति. Karyalay means the headquarter office. So the main office, the headquarter of this GCERT is in the same Vidya Bhavan. इयं परिषद अस्माकं प्राथमिक शिक्षण क्षेत्रे परिवर्तनार्थं सततं प्रवृत्ता अस्ति. This parishad, this council is involved, is doing the thing, it's continuously involved in doing parivartan, in refining the primary education of our state. As you can see here, glimpses of meeting here. So they are involved in refining the fine quality of education each and every child deserves. In the same logo, we can also spot a Sanskrit line of the Upanishad, Tejasvinavadhitamastu. If we split the word into three parts, it will be Tejasvinau adhitam astu. Whatever we have learned, whatever is adhitam, pathitam, whatever we have learned, let it be Tejasvi. Full of brilliance. जो हमने पढ़ा है वो चमके, शाइन करे, ब्राइट हो. गांधीनगरे विशालाः स्वच्छमार्गाः वर्तन्ते. So in the Gandhinagar we have very huge and very clean road. एतस्मिन् नगरे, in this city, बहूनि रमणीयानि उद्यानानि सन्ति. There are many beautiful parks and gardens in this city. That's why it is called Green City. Nagare bahavaha padapaha santi. Padapaha is another word for vrikshaha. And the reason is pada meaning pear and pa means pibati. पेड़ से पानी पीते हैं कौन? वृक्ष जो अपने रूट से पानी पीते हैं और सभी पार्ट्स को पहुंचाते हैं. So Padapaha is the word for trees. Vrikshaha. Nagare bahavaha padapaha santi. In the city there are many trees. Tena karanena idam nagaram vishwasya harita nagaram rupena api prasiddham. That's why in the Sampurna Vishwa, in the whole world, this city is called Harita Nagaram, a green city. So have you visited any of the places mentioned in this chapter? Let me know in the comments below. And let's start the next part right now. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha. Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.